Welcome to my channel. Today I will be reviewing the XTOOL A30M scan tool. This scan tool is affordable, well within the budget of the do-it-yourselfer. It has the capability to diagnose all vehicle, foreign and domestic. It can display dealer level information at a reasonable price. And this tool is from XTOOL, and it is known as the XTOOL A30M. It's a very nice Bluetooth module, and this is the way things are going for the future. No wires, no nothing, just wireless. You plug this into your OBD2 port, and you can scan your vehicle, and you can diagnose your BMW in your driveway, in your house, and you get the same information that the dealer is looking at. The color is nice. It also comes with a light, so you can locate your OBD port in the dark. But who works in the dark, But they have a light. You press the side and the light comes on. So without further ado, I'm going to plug this device up into my OBD2 port on this BMW 2017 X5, and I will give a demonstration. That's coming up. Yes, massive. See, I just plug in the device. You just plug it into your OBD2 port and the light comes on. And then I'm going to turn on my device, my tablet, and you have to sync up the device with the tablet, pair it, which is, is in the instructions, all right? After you install the software on your phone or your tablet and launch the program, this is the interface that will come up. And it's a very, very nice interface. I'll be demonstrating its basic functions. The first thing you do when you launch the program is to check for updates. And as I said before, when you first get the tool, you have to do an update. So I'm going to run the update now just to give you an example. So you would just click on update and then update all. But make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi, because it requires Wi-Fi, and it's going to go through and update everything here. And again, you have to have enough storage space on your phone or your tablet for this A30M to operate efficiently. So I'll be demonstrating the scanning capability of this device. The first thing you do is click auto scan, and then automatic detection is going to read the VIN number on your vehicle, and you click OK. And then OK again. And then after, you click automatic scan, and it's basically going to scan all the module in your vehicle. Yes, so after the scan, it will display any fault codes. I have one. which I know what that is. It's something that I have to correct. I just install a head unit, and so I have to clear that code. But as I said, it will scan all the module in your vehicle, and it will tell you if it passed or failed. So far, everything looks good. If you have a code and you want to know what the code is, you can click diagnosis next to the code and then read trouble code. And basically it says connection head unit to CID, no communication. So I just install a head unit, so I know what this is. Back. So it does a thorough job, just as the dealer equipment. You don't have to bring your car to the dealership. You can use this inexpensive scan tool to scan your vehicle. Okay, let me go back. Exit, yes. Back. Okay. Back to the main interface. So this is just a demonstration of the auto scanning capability of the vehicle. You also have special function, such as ABS bleeding, tire pressure monitor reset, injector coding, window initialization, electronic parking brakes, oil reset. This is a nice one to have. Battery reset. If you change your battery, this allows you to match the battery back to the vehicle. Very important in a BMW. So for less than $200, this is a fantastic tool from XTOOL. You can also, after you scan, you can do a report, and the report is stored. The report is stored in this folder. And you can send that report to your customer. You can also display running values for your car, like the voltage, the temperature of the engine oil, the coolant temperature. I mean, it's more than enough for the do-it-yourselfer. So you can go manual selection, X series, F15. Okay. System selection. You can do drive, engine DME, you can view live data. Yes, you can do live data. This is just the hidden gem about this XTOOL. You can, let me see one of the functions here. Engine temperature. You can do engine temperature, check engine temperature. You can do the IBS battery voltage. I mean, oxygen sensor, exhaust after the catalytic converter, coolant temperature, electric fan control signal. It just so much PID that can be displayed. Rail pressure, fuel pump control signal, fuel pump status, fuel temperature, fuel tank level, low fuel tank, low pressure, boost pressure, air intake, air quality, and the list goes on and on. Oil pressure, idle speed. You get the drift. And this can, the values are displayed on this side. So we can monitor a whole bunch of information, more than what is required for the average do-it-yourselfer. So this tool for less than $200 can do a lot of stuff that the most expensive tool can do, except ECU coding and key programming. And if you're not into key programming, if you're not into ECU coding, this is more than adequate for the average do-it-yourselfer in your yard, in your garage. If you just want to scan your vehicle and you want to know what's going on, look no further. XTOOL can do the job. So again, it can display live data. It can scan your vehicle. It can do special functions like battery reset, oil reset, electronic parking brakes if you want to change your brakes in the back. You can put the vehicle in service mode so you can change your brake pads. Most vehicles, you cannot just rip out the brake pad. You have to put the caliper in the back in service mode, so the caliper is retracted from the brake pad, so you can easily remove. So you have to put the vehicle in service mode, and this scan tool can do just that. Okay, let me go back. It can also do some actuation tests, bidirectional control. Depending on what function your vehicle have, it can roll the window up, it can roll them down, it can actuate your windshield wiper. It can run your fuel pump. It can run your fuel pump, just check if it's running. I mean, for less than $200, this is a fantastic tool. I will not be doing these demonstrations, but I'm just showing you on the screen what it can do. You can go to chassis, see parking brake. You can read trouble code, clear code, and live data. Yeah, so this is the XTOOL A30M, and this is just a demonstration of how you can use it to scan your vehicle. You don't need a $3,000 scan tool just to scan for trouble codes. If you're not into, like I said, key programming and ECU programming and some other sophisticated stuff, this is more than adequate for the task. This is a 2016 BMW X5, and it can scan this vehicle from A to Z. So this is the tool from XTOOL. I'm excited about it. It does the job, and it's rather inexpensive.
So if you like this tool, you can purchase it at Amazon. XTOOL A30M. If you are on a budget, this tool is more than adequate for the task. It can scan any vehicle, foreign or domestic. And it has a lifetime update, so you don't have to spend any money, additional money, on a yearly subscription. If you like this video, you can give it a like, or you can subscribe to this channel.